Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later and that you can unlock it. Once unlocked, open the Settings app and scan the list for Standby. This step is essential because Standby only appears on compatible builds. If you don't see it, make sure to update iOS. Now that Settings is open and you've located Standby, get ready to change the toggle. This is the first actionable change that disables the mode system-wide. Tap the Standby entry to open its dedicated settings. You'll see a single toggle labeled Standby. Flip it from on to off. Doing this immediately stops the special full-screen sleep display and prevents the dock-style view when charging horizontally. Make sure to read any on-screen confirmation and accept it. Once toggled off, test by placing the phone on charge in landscape. The screen should no longer switch to the Standby layout, which verifies the change took effect. After disabling, verify by placing your iPhone on a charger in landscape orientation. The display should remain the normal lock screen rather than entering Standby. If it still appears, restart the device to clear any residual state. If there's no Standby option in Settings, update to the latest iOS first. If updating doesn't help, reset Settings, Settings General Transfer, or Reset as a last resort. These steps resolve the most common issues and restore expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.